We love plastic. It's cheap, it's durable, and it's everywhere. From the packaging of our food to the toys our children play with, plastic has become an integral part of our daily lives. But there's a big problem. We make way too much of it. Factories around the world are churning out plastic at an unprecedented rate. Every year, we produce mountains of plastic. These mountains are growing taller and wider with each passing day. Mountains so big, they'd make Mount Everest look like a molehill. The sheer volume of plastic waste is staggering. Sadly, most of this plastic doesn't get recycled. Instead, it ends up in landfills or worse, in our natural environments. It ends up polluting our planet. Our beautiful landscapes are being marred by plastic waste. Plastic trash piles up in landfills. These landfills are overflowing, and the plastic waste is not going anywhere. It clogs our oceans, harming marine life. Sea creatures are getting entangled in plastic debris, and many are dying as a result. Tiny bits of plastic, called microplastics, are everywhere. These microplastics are so small that they can be found in the most unexpected places. They're even in the food we eat and the water we drink. This means that microplastics are entering our bodies with unknown health consequences. We need to find a solution to this plastic problem, and fast. Communities around the world are coming together to tackle this issue. Luckily, nature might have a solution for us: microbes. Scientists are studying these tiny organisms to see if they can help break down plastic waste. Microbes are tiny living things, too small to see without a microscope. They are everywhere around us, in the air, in the soil, and even inside our bodies. Despite their small size, they play a huge role in our ecosystem. Bacteria are a type of microbe. They come in many shapes and sizes, and they can be found in almost every environment on Earth. You might know that some bacteria make us sick. These harmful bacteria can cause infections and diseases, which is why we often associate them with illness. But did you know that other bacteria can help us? These beneficial bacteria are essential for processes like digestion and nutrient absorption in our bodies. These helpful microbes are like tiny recyclers. They break down organic matter, turning dead plants and animals into nutrients that enrich the soil. They can actually eat plastic. This might sound surprising, but certain bacteria have evolved to consume plastic as a food source. They break down the plastic into smaller and smaller pieces. Over time, these pieces become so small that they can be absorbed back into the environment. This process is called biodegradation. It's nature's way of recycling materials, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Some bacteria are really good at eating certain types of plastic, like the kind milk jugs are made of. These bacteria can break down the plastic into harmless substances. Others prefer to munch on the plastic used in grocery bags. This is important because plastic bags are a major source of pollution. One type of bacteria called Ideonella sacchaensis is a real plastic-eating champ. It can break down PET plastic, which is commonly used in bottles and packaging. Scientists are studying Ideonella sacchaensis and other microbes to see how we can use them to break down plastic waste. This research could lead to new ways to manage plastic pollution and protect our environment. Bacteria aren't the only microbes that can help us fight plastic pollution. While bacteria have been studied extensively for their ability to break down various materials, they are not alone in this battle. Fungi are another type of microbe that can break down plastic. These incredible organisms have unique enzymes that allow them to decompose complex substances. You might know fungi as mushrooms or mold. They come in many shapes and sizes, and they play a crucial role in ecosystems by breaking down organic matter. Some fungi are really good at breaking down tough plant material, like wood. This ability is due to their powerful enzymes that can break down lignin and cellulose. It turns out they can use those same skills to break down certain types of plastic. This discovery has opened up new possibilities for managing plastic waste. One type of fungus, called Aspergillus tuberculosis, has shown real promise in breaking down plastic. It can degrade plastic in a matter of weeks, which is much faster than traditional methods. Scientists are studying how we can use fungi, along with bacteria, to create powerful teams of tiny recyclers. These teams could revolutionize the way we handle plastic waste. These teams can tackle different types of plastic waste, making them a powerful weapon in the fight against plastic pollution by harnessing the natural abilities of fungi and bacteria. we can develop sustainable solutions to one of the world's most pressing environmental problems. Section 4. Hope from Juhu Beach. Juhu Beach is a popular tourist spot in Mumbai, India. Unfortunately, it's also heavily polluted with plastic, but there's hope. Scientists recently made an exciting discovery in the sands of Juhu Beach. They found new types of bacteria that are really good at breaking down a harmful chemical found in many plastics. This chemical, called phthalate, can leach out of plastics and harm wildlife and even humans. These newly discovered bacteria are like superheroes. They can help us clean up phthalate pollution and make our planet a safer place. Section 5. A future without waste. We've got a long way to go, but with the help of microbes, we can imagine a future without plastic pollution. Imagine a world where plastic is no longer trash, but a valuable resource. Scientists are working hard to make this vision a reality. We can all do our part by reducing our plastic use. We can also support companies that are developing innovative ways to recycle and biodegrade plastic. Together, we can create a cleaner, healthier planet for generations to come.